So I made a quick stop here at the Land Rover dealer, and I saw this Mercedes here. It's an SL, and the interesting thing about this is it doesn't have many miles. It has 25,000 miles, and this is a Designo edition. Designo is the one that has special interior, special leather, and you don't always see those around. And I think it's in a pretty good shape too. Now the sun is pretty bad, so I'm not sure if I can even film inside, but give it a try. Go through here. I'm not sure that shows, but it looks like a beautiful car. I mean, I like it. As many Mercedes, the maintenance and the reliability can be an issue, but with that mileage, I think you'd be on the safe side. I don't have any info about this car here. It's at the Land Rover here in Santa Fe. Just thought I would share and show you guys.